Generate a Monero vanity or custom address. But first, a Monero address example. A main Monero address is one that starts with a 4 and has 95 characters. It is randomly generated versus a vanity address, which can have characters that you choose. We will be using Nick's Monero vanity address generator, which is found on his GitHub. Let's head over to releases. The top file is to check the signature, and the one below it is the actual generator. If you get a warning like I have gotten here, and you're paranoid, that's what the signature check is for. Anyway, I've already done this, so I'm going to extract it to my desktop for easy reviewing. To bring up the command prompt window, type cmd in the Windows search bar. Next, I'll drag the executable file address to the command prompt window. This is where I can start searching for a pattern. The -I means that you don't care if it is uppercase or lowercase. I'm including it because I don't care. Monero main addresses start with a 4, so that is what I'm starting with. I'm putting question marks here because I kind of want to use them as spacers. I don't mind what characters are between the 4 and the pattern that I want, so these question marks kind of fill in that gap. Also, the character list for Monero address does not include the same ones that are in all the alphabet or all the numerical digits. I'm showing them on the screen here, and you might notice that some are missing, like a capital I or a lowercase l. Anyways, so as you can see here, it is still trying to find a matching address with a pattern that I have specified. It's working at 23 million keys per second using my 3090 NVIDIA GPU. This program works only with NVIDIA GPUs, so make sure you're using one and not an AMD one. So it's generated a key and its corresponding address here. In fact, it generated 2 more, so I'm gonna stop it using the Fn and pause key on my keyboard. I'm going to copy this to a notepad file for easier viewing. So I have the key, the spend key, and the main Monero address. But there is something missing in this recipe. Monero addresses also need a view key, so I'm going to use the Monero command line interface wallet, which I have downloaded from getmonero.org to show me the view key that corresponds to one of these addresses. I'm going to drag the command line executable file into the command prompt window and type --generate from spend key. The next part is that you need to name the wallet. I'm just going to name it new wallet. Then press enter. It's going to ask for the private spend key, which is what I'm highlighting. So, one thing to note here is that when you copy and paste the private spend key, it won't show it. So don't think that you didn't paste it or something, or don't think that something is wrong. Just Control V and then press enter, and then follow the next step, which asks what language, and it will generate the view key that I am highlighting here. So I can continue with this and use the command line interface wallet, but I'm just not about this wallet. So I'm just gonna copy the view key onto this notepad file. In fact, I already have the 3 things that I need: a private spend key, a private view key, which I just got, and a main Monero address. So I can import this into any wallet. I'm going to be using Feather Wallet, but you can use any other one as well. Click create from private keys. And it's just copy and paste simulation from here. The spend key was generated with the main Monero address, so paste that in. And the private view key here was shown when I did the command line interface thing. So now you have full access to the wallet. I'm obviously not going to be using this wallet or any of the ones I have generated in this video. This is just for tutorial purposes. So it's just to show you guys that it's not a hard process at all. So I guess this kind of begs the question, like, why would someone even do this, right? Why would someone want a vanity address? So one, it's cool and interesting. This post on Reddit a few weeks back got like over 400 upvotes because someone randomly had a certain word in their Monero address, which they thought was funny. And the community did as well. And second of all, it can be used as a donation address. It's just something that's more easily recognizable, and yeah, I guess it just plays into that first reason that it looks cool. Be sure to subscribe for more Monero videos. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.